Pornography, all about it and how its addicting effects are harmful to one's brain. The topic for this position paper is pornography. As technology has advanced rapidly throughout the decade, with the internet playing a huge role and everything being one click away from your device, sites are easily accessible. These advancements on the web have come with their fair share of advantages and disadvantages. As materials are easy to access to the net, they also with explicit materials. These materials vary from photographs, videos, films, magazines, or even whole websites, all of which are also one click away from any device with an internet connection. This is pornography. Pornography is a huge problem in this society with fast paced technology. It is harmful to everyone involved. It is dangerous addiction, but despite this, many are victims of such illness. But there is much secret truth to be untold. Plenty, if not most of the victims of pornography are considered teenagers, still legally not an adult. They have access to such types of content with help of internet. A rapid advancement in technology also has faced many disadvantages. Disadvantages such as pornography have increased at a fast rate. The addiction has victimized huge ranges of ages, gender, and many more. There have to be efforts to not only minimize the brain rotting addiction but also hopefully fully cure it as well. Efforts have been made by big and famous companies that run most of technology industry. The leading internet browser in the world as of the current moment, Chrome, has made quick efforts to combat such an issue. Safe Search is designed to detect explicit content like pornography and graphic violence on Google searches. Safe Search is a feature in Google Search and Google Images that acts as an automated filter of pornography and potentially offensive and inappropriate content. On November 11, 2009, Google introduced the ability for users within Google accounts to lock on the Safe Search level in Google's web and image searches. This action from Google is a hope in the dark and very serious problems in society. Many rely on this addiction to power their minds throughout their day. Pornography also affects how you look at other people. Pornography teaches us to use people in the wrong and unethical way. Pornography is the exact opposite of teaching us how to love others and ourselves how we are supposed to. Pornography has also shown signs of affecting one's person's self-esteem. It shows that people who are consistently exposed to pornography tend to have low confidence. Study from National Center on Sexual Exploitation website states that while seemingly impersonal and scientific, these effects on the brain impact us on personal level, like Phineas Gage. The changes in our brain from pornography correspond with changes in our mood, personality, and the way we treat others. But with an open mind, pornography can be positive with responsible partners. With the right age and mind, pornography can give us ideas of for couples to try new things they might not have yet tried before. A National Library of Medicine articles has said that pornography may support sexual development by teaching individuals about sexual acts through demonstration and increased confidence. The society nowadays is fast growing. Every day is a new opportunity for innovation. Technology is one of those innovations that is fast growing. Everything is one click away from any device from anywhere around the world. This definitely is super helpful and innovative, but issues may arise. This is pornography. Pornography refers to depiction of sexual content for the purpose of sexual arousal and entertainment. This content can be produced in various forms, including not limited to videos, photographs, and literature and audio. As cases of victims rise rapidly, it is my effort to not get caught in the addiction. Self-control and discipline is a huge must. For people who suffer from the illness, all I can help is to spread awareness on the internet, provide articles, research, or studies to inform them of terrible effects of pornography. Pornography is highly not recommended for people of any age, gender, or suffer addiction from.